This is Reza Ganjavi, and I just left the following message for the superintendent of the Gunnison Watershed School District in Colorado. They're turning on a Verizon cell tower at the high school tomorrow, March 29, 2019. It's a catastrophe. Shame on them. Listen to this message.
Please leave a message for Leslie Nichols.
Dr. Nichols, this is Reza Ganjavi. I am very, very worried and disappointed that you decided to turn on the cell tower on the school ground. I don't know if you've heard of the case in California and many other cases where kids are getting cancer, adults, teachers, students, everybody's getting cancer. Not everybody, but several people. More than even one is too many. You cannot do this to your kids. You cannot do this to your staff. So if your source is just Verizon, your assistant was telling me, yes, so we've talked with Verizon. Verizon is on record for lying. We can prove this. There's proof of this. The industry doesn't care about health. The standards they're using are more than 30 years old. They completely ignore biological impact. The standards are based only on physics. The only thing they guarantee is that it doesn't burn you. You cannot do this to your kids. You cannot put money ahead of health. You have a fiduciary responsibility, a moral responsibility to the children, to their parents, to yourselves, to your staff member. Pull the plug on this cancer stick, this poison. This radiation has not been proven. Forget about proof. Has not even been shown to be safe. Not even an indication. There's not one single study that shows it to be safe. And there are thousands of studies that show it to be harmful. Cancer is causing multiple damages, especially to the young. It thins out the blood-brain barrier and so on and so on and so on. Where have you been? You cannot let money blind you. You cannot think about your bonus. You need to think about the kid's health. So pull the plug on that shit and stop messing with people's lives and health. You have a responsibility to live up to. You have a karma to deal with.